Okay guys, 2021 Kia Telluride, rebuilt title, right front damage here, all been fixed up. See, these are peeling a little bit. Looks like some clear coat. Can't see it when you're driving down the road. Got good tread on these tires. This is an SX model. Here's your miles. Suede roof. Looks pretty nice. Harman Kardon sound system. Your memory. I think this has power folding mirrors. Blind spots, lane assist. Start it up. 43,897 on the miles. Your steering wheel controls, adaptive cruise. Got your navigation map, backup camera, 360 camera. Heated steering wheel, heated, cooled seats. USB wireless charging, 2 keys, remote start, locking differential, auto hold. All your manuals and extra parts here. Your sunroof. This is the sunshade for the kids. Heated and cooled seats in the rear. Three seat belts in the back. Makes it 7-passenger. Panoramic or dual sunroof, what I like to call it. See what kind of legroom you have there. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com. REEL.